Hello, explorers! Today we're going on a faith adventure. Do you know what a mustard seed is? It's super tiny, but guess what? It grows into something big. Are you ready to sing and grow with me? Say grow, grow, grow. Tiny little mustard seed, so small you can barely see. Planted in the ground one day, growing in a special way. Sunshine bright, rain comes down, roots grow deep underground. Little seed begins to grow. Watch it stretch and say hello. Tiny seed, growing big, growing big. Faith can grow inside your heart. Amen. Oh. Tiny seed, growing tall, even small can change it all. Grow, grow, grow today. Watch God's love light the way. Tiny faith can grow so strong. Come and sing the mustard song. Plant a seed of love today. Kind words help it grow each day. Help a friend or share a smile. Watch it grow in just a while. Birds may come and rest up high. Branches reaching to the sky. From the smallest little start, big love grows inside your heart. Tiny seed, growing big, growing big. Faith can grow inside your heart. Amen. Oh. Tiny seed, growing tall, even small can change it all. Grow, grow, grow today. Watch God's love light the way. Tiny faith can grow so strong. Come and sing the mustard song. Let's help our seed grow. First we need sunshine. Can you say sunshine? Now we need rain. Say rain. And we need love. Say love. Great job, explorers! Look, our tiny seed is growing big. Tiny seed, growing big, growing big. God can make small things grow strong. Tiny seed, growing tall, sing the happy growing song. Grow, grow, grow today. Share God's love along the way. From a seed so small and true, big bright love can grow in you. Wow! Our tiny mustard seed grew into a big tree. Remember, explorers, even tiny faith can grow into something amazing. Bye-bye. See you on the next adventure.